Hey everybody, welcome back to Going Ballistic. Justin and I are back out on the mountain range, and here is what we have for you guys today. So, Tactical X-Men, a Chinese body armor company, sent us this body armor to test out. Now this is their level 3 body armor, but it's ceramic. Now if you guys go check out Buffman Range, you will see he did a really good test on it, and Top Shot Dustin did a good video on this body armor as well. Well, you know, here on the Research and Destruction channel, we like to do everything different. So here's what we're gonna do today. First off, thank you guys again for sending this body armor out. But today, we're ripping off the covers. And we're gonna show you guys what happens when the rounds actually hit the ceramic. Now, the covers that the body armor has is very important. This one is nothing more than like looks like a baby's blanket. It's nice and soft and cuddly. American body armor like, oh God, RTS and RMA, they have different product in front, like a Kevlar and stuff, something I would trust better than a baby's blanket. So the cover is a really important piece of the armor because it keeps all the ceramic in place and tight. I'm thinking on the first shot we do today, it might blow this whole plate out. If you guys check this picture out here, when I took it apart, I could pop out the ceramic portion of the armor pretty easy. Now this ceramic is pretty thin. It's only about 1/4 inch thick, as to where American level 4 ceramic body armor, which I would go with, is much thicker and tougher stuff. On American body armor, level 4 is all ceramic, level 3 is steel plate. But these guys have a ceramic level 3, and it's fairly light. But so we are going to do different rounds today. Now this first one we're going to shoot, we don't have any covering on it. We have 3 more body armors that we have, and we just put clear packing tape on it, hoping to keep it somewhat together and not blow apart on every one. But hey, if it happens, it happens. It's research and destruction, right? Whew, man, the flies are on us today up here. Anyways, this is what we got for you guys today. 6.5 Creedmoor, Smith & Wesson 500 hand cannon. We got the beautiful Russian PPS 43 in 7.62 by 25. We also have mine and Justin's new favorite. We got the Thompson in 45 ACP. And also, this wouldn't be a good Chinese body armor test without shooting it with a Chinese SKS 7.62 by 39. Well, this is what we got for you guys today. Let's take a closer look at what we'll be using today and get ready.
All right, so first rifle up is going to be this PPS 43 and 7.6225. If you haven't seen a 7.6225, it's a neck down cartridge. It's kind of like a little rifle round. It's kind of cute. All right, we're going to send 2 rounds as fast as I humanly can.
Go for it.
With my speedy fingers.
So, 1 round hit up here, but let's see what the other one did. See a lot of ceramic everywhere. Slight bulge here on the back. This is a polyethylene. It's like spider web stuff, but obviously about a 1/2 inch thick. All right, there we go. Nice hit. Body armor held up well, even without the cover on it. So just to show you a level 3 ceramic, again, I don't know why it's black. Maybe one of you smarter guys out there can tell me. But Love the forest a little thicker. Okay. Well, now we're gonna try, I don't know, Justin, let's try your 45, your Thompson. I'm gonna try to pop off a couple 45 rounds on this side here if we can and see how that goes. We got our high-speed camera set at a little over 8,000 frames per second. It's so sunny out here I can't see the little screen, so I'm not sure how good it looks till I get it back to the house, but hopefully it's turning out really good. Let's do the 45. Here we go.
All right, so now we're going to do a double tap out of the Thompson 45 ACP. We're only about 15 yards out, which I think the pistol caliber ones, it should stop just fine. But once we get into the SKS and especially the 6.5 Creedmoor at this distance, I don't know. I'm not hopeful for that body armor. All right, with half the sights, let's see if I can get it on target. Oh man, it just shed all that ceramic. I think it stopped it though.
All right, as you can see, this is why the cover is very important. It keeps your body armor together. 2 great shots from Justin, as always. Check this out, we got much easier to recover the jackets from the 45s. That's hilarious. Pretty cool. So I want you guys to comment down below, what is your all-time favorite machine gun? Mine is the MG42. I just think it's a sexy looking, and it fires so fast for its time in World War II. I don't care if it's a new one today, like, I don't know, minigun. I don't care if it was on plane, train, or automobile. What was your favorite machine gun? Comment down below. We'd love to see what you guys like. Anyways, moving on. So this one, well, is done. This polyethylene stuff, this is actually really good stuff. My whole thing is, well, they'll send us great body armor to test, but hopefully they'll sell you the same stuff. So anyways, we are going to move on. We have 3 more body armor pieces. Again, those are going to be wrapped in tape to try to avoid this. I don't know if it will. That's what we got for you. Let's move on.
All right, so now we got the new body armor up with the clear covering, or clear body armor. But we're gonna use this 500 Smith & Wesson. See what kind of damage we can do. This is a jacketed soft point. Ready? Yep. Oh my goodness. That's a lot of power. Let's go check that out.
Here we go. All right, the tape held on the backside, huge bulge. Again, open for jokes, I'm sure. On the backside here. Okay. Hey, so our tape held up really good. I can't wait to see the high speed on that. Just a huge, huge gabber in here. Amazing. It is a big hole. That's pretty cool. Okay, so uncompromised body armor. We are going to pull out another one, save this one, and we're going to shoot this Chinese armor with itself. Chinese SKS. Here we go.
All right, now it's time for the Chinese SKS 76239. This is a 122 grain full metal jacket, I believe. Again, we're not very far. It'll be a good test for this armor. There's a fly on it. I want to shoot the fly. Oh, dang it. He's going back off to the side. Never mind. I'll just shoot center. Nice. Let's go check it out.
What do we have here? Okay, it stopped it. Another joke started here. Huge bulge on the back. Come on, let's hear them. Comment below. What are your jokes?
It's so bulgy.
Just keep them clean. Justin said it's so bulgy. Okay, so 7.62 by 39, no problem. Held up good. I'm really glad this packing tape is holding up good because I thought it would just all fall off. So it's doing good. Okay, we got one more shot, and then you have to stick around for the end because Justin and I always like to do something different. So we're gonna both stick around. Anyways, on to the next one. Here we go.
All right, now we got the 6.5 Creedmoor out, the man bun of rifle cartridges. Now, it's actually pretty nice. It's grown on me. But yeah, comment below what you want to see us do with these 6.5 Creedmoor, distance-wise, destruction-wise. And we're thinking about doing some competitions with this thing. We'll probably put my suppressor on it too. Let's see if this armor can stop it. Hey, it looks like it did. I actually caught that, it fell in my hand. All right, let's check it out.
Sweet! A bigger bulge. Oh, we're not gonna hear the end of those jokes, Justin. Hey, look at that. Now, he hit, let me see, I gotta look in the sun here so I could try to find, he almost hit, well, he hit right in between two, looks like right on the crease or so of two tiles, possibly. Smaller hole. Less damage to the tiles, but I think because it just kind of blew through them. And there you go. These are
tiles compromised?
Yeah, I would say there is 4 tiles compromised in this area, but not all the way. I don't see any cracking. This one cracked straight up. This one cracked in half. This one, yeah. So that kind of hit actually destroyed more. If it hit on one tile, it probably only just damaged that one ceramic tile. But this one caused more problems to 4 tiles. You know, hit good shot, dead center. But hey, our tape held up, and so did this body armor. So we got all these YouTube channels testing this Chinese body armor, and you know, this is what happened last time we tested something out that was supposed to be a level 4. So if you guys watch this video right here, this helmet was from Hike Pros. I don't know if they're still selling this stuff. I hope not. This is a Chinese company that claimed that this was level 4, NIJ, the whole 9 yards. So instead of us saying, yeah, we'll test it for you, we just bought one. And it didn't even stop a 22. In this video, we didn't shoot a 22 at it, but Justin came back later on and shot a 22, and it went through one side no problem. So that's just my take on it. I'm sure Tactical X-Men are not happy with me saying this, but I buy American body armor. That's all I would do. This stuff has been holding up pretty good, but will you get the real thing? I don't know. So Justin and I are gonna set some stuff up for you. Stick around, you're gonna like what we got for you. Here we go. All right, everybody, thanks for sticking around. I'm gonna be shooting the PPS 43. We got 20 rounds each, full mag dump into the body armor. Justin has his Thompson. All right, on the count of 3, you ready?
Yep.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Yes.
Destroyed those. Let's check it out. Okay, that took a punishment there. First one hit low. Oh, there you go. That's all that's left of the bullet. There's some lead. It's hot, Edwin. Wrinkled that up, went through, hit down below. Didn't hit anything else. Good job, Chris. That was the first one I aimed at. See why I have Justin on this channel? So we could actually hit things. This one, good night. That thing got punished. But nothing went through. Of course, these are just pistol rounds-ish. Pistol rounds-ish. It went through the sandbag there, Justin. Lots of lead, lots of jackets.
Well, that's a pretty one.
What do you got there? Oh yeah, look at that, perfect. That's nice. Nice little button. Boop. And nothing through the back. Again, this polyethylene stuff is some good stuff. Well, there you go. I do want to thank Tactical X-Men for sending this body armor out for us to test so many pieces. We do appreciate it very much. Again, if you want to see a really good test with different rounds and their that are chronographed and everything, these flies, man, we're getting assaulted here. Check out Buffman Range. He always does really, really good body armor tests. So thank you all for watching. Again, don't forget to check out our Instagram page. We're so thankful for all you guys and all the support that you give us. Hit that subscribe button, help us hit that 200,000 K mark, and we'll be back.